Hey, if you are watching this video, chances that you are looking for the best Forex trading signals in 2021. In this video, I will reveal how to get the best Forex trading signals with a 95% win rate and 100% accurate indicator. The Forex legend, Toshko Raychev, want to reveal how he became the world trading champion and his progress up to the point of revealing his latest gem, the Trade Command Center. The three-time world trading champion, Toshko Raychev, in collaboration with the most respected name in trader education and systems, Tradeology, is set to release one of the best Forex trading signals in history, together with education, resource and training. The Toshko Raychev Trade Command Center turns out to be a new Forex trading tools that make the substantial claims of helping traders to lock in significant financial returns. Let's look at the background of experts behind the Trade Command Center Signals program. Toshko Raychev. The Toshko Raychev background is center on his results. He is a legend in the Forex trading universe, and he has won the world best foreign exchange trader 3 times. He has helped countless students around the world in the Forex trading system. The Toshko Raychev latest program promises to be the ultimate incarnation of his brilliant strategies, educational skill, and tips for turning any skills level into a successful master Forex trader. With this system, you will get trading signals, online support, trade assistance, education, and resources. Adrian Jones and Tradeology team. Adrian Jones was the man behind the Tradeology, a popular Forex trading education and resources. He is well known when it comes to Forex, and he is a trading masters of this generation. Adrian is the lead trader and CEO of Tradeology. He has mentored thousands of students to success over the past decade and overseen Tradeology's unique vision as the #1 Forex educational site in the world. He has helped countless people to learn how to trade, from the most experienced and experts traders to beginners who have never seen any trading chart before. They provide a reliable strategy that has proven to be unmatched. Toshko Raychev, Adrian Jones, and the Tradeology team have been dealing with financial transactions for nearly 2 decades. What is Trade Command Center? The Trade Command Center is a stunning designed user interface that immediately displays valid signals for the day and time when a trader logs in. The trader can choose their preferred pairs and time frames, and these are the signals that appear on the toolbar. This helps prevent overtrading and saves a lot of time by collecting trading signals rather than going through different trading warnings to choose a favorite. The strength of the Trade Command Center signals depends on many features, and it is designed for both beginners and experienced traders. The system focuses on trading signals, education, resource, getting signals every 15 minutes across multiple time frames, ease of use in the form of a simple copy and paste process, and solid knowledge to help traders. Since the Trade Command Center is such a one of its kind, it provides a mountain of proof that the system works. It is hard to find much about Toshko Raychev's Trade Command Center signals that you do not like. It was designed for both beginners and experienced in Forex trading. Many Forex signals exist for years, and most of these are effective in helping you to generate little income on the side. With Toshko Raychev new Trade Command Center signals, he guarantees that you will rise above and beyond the levels of results you are getting right now. The knowledge this system promises to provide is intended for both those who are already highly skilled Forex traders as well as the beginners to the world of Forex trading. The training provides adequate knowledge for both highly skilled traders and those new to the world of the Forex trading system. It saves a lot of time. Traders can connect to the tool and select signals. It works perfectly for both mobile and desktop. The Toshko Raychev and Tradeology team are well known and part of the trading industry, and most of their products in the market have been an enormous success. The signals are suitable for both small and capital account. The essence of trading is to make profits. The training helps a small account to grow rapidly while generating huge profits for a decent capital account. Who is the Toshko Raychev Trade Command Center most intended to help? Raychev claims that this system is helpful not just for those who have never traded Forex markets before in the past. It is also designed to help even experienced and successful market traders want to learn new tactics and trade more effectively and profitably. Click the link in the description of this video below to register for Trade Command Center webinar, the groundbreaking event, and learn the secrets the 3-time world trading champion uses to make money daily. To your success. Please don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to the channel.